That's it.
That is it.
I've never seen one like that.
Oh my gosh.
I've seen a little twister before, but I've never seen anything like that.
This is like off the movie Twister. Have you ever seen that movie?
Oh shit.
Look right there.
I've never seen anything like this. It's like the big storm. I don't know if we'll be able to see this at all, but it sure does look good looking at it.
Look at the cloud. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look how aqua everything is.
I swear I've never seen anything. I mean,
Listen.
I think that's going to be rain.
The clouds. They're just sucking up.
Think we're going to be able to see that on a video?
Do you think that's it? Like right there where it's...
It's darker than everywhere else?
Yeah.
Right there.
Look. Look over here. Look at the clouds going like in a circle. And like right there.
Let's make sure. Here we go. Here.
Oh my word.
There it is.
That is it. I understand why the storm chasers just can't leave. Okay.
I think we're fixing to go somewhere. I don't know where the hell we're going.
Go here in a second. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's getting stuff.
Yeah.
It's getting stuff.
Open the door. It's fixing to hit right on top of us.
Look at the debris! Look at the debris up in the air. This is it. It's right on top of us. Oh my gosh! Look at that view! That's somebody pushing.
Okay.
Look at this.
That's the tornado. We're on it. It's on it right there. Oh my God, who's that S5?
I don't know. Look, it's right there.
Man, I hope he is okay.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh shit. There it goes.
Yeah. It's right there! The tornado is right there!
Get him.
Oh my gosh! That was insane!
It was. Be out there in that.
Oh my gosh!
I got out of no shit.
Mason Bar, bro.
It just went off. The people went out.